There are people confirming, recounting several of their tales as to how they were being beaten up by the police, how they were not being considered also. One lady here with me, let me just talk to this lady. मैडम बताइए कि आप यहाँ ही थी, आपके साथ क्या हुआ था?
बस रात को 1 बजे अचानक पुलिस आ गई। पुलिस रात में कौन आते हैं? और माता बहनों को
सो रही थी,
अरे माता बहनों को बाल खींच के नोचा गया, उनके कपड़े भी फाड़े गए और उनके छाती पे भी हाथ लगा दिया पुलिस वालों ने। ये अपनी पुलिस वाली भारतीय पुलिस है क्या है? बालों भी खींचे और सूट पकड़ में खींच लिया।
Well, this young lady also right here. मैडम बताए कि आप कहाँ थे? आपके अंदर थी, केस के ऊपर थे? बताइए क्या हुआ?
इस तरीके से पकड़ के खींचे, ठीक है। इसके बाद ना पाए तो हम तो ऐसे ही पतले हैं तो हाथ पकड़ के खींचने लगे। इसके बाद धक्के मार दी पीछे से, ठीक है। खींचा गया।
तब बताए बाबा क्या बोल रहे थे? बाबा कुछ बात कर रहे थे? आप बताए।
बाबा कह रहे थे कि शांति बनाए रखो, इसके बावजूद भी बाबा को मारे भी गए, फिर भी बाबा बार यही कह रहे हैं कि चिल्लाओ नहीं, शांति बनाए रखो, शांति बनाए
Well, Amitabh, people once again are telling you, recounting repeatedly what happened. Everybody has an account to say. Many of them were on the stage and they saw this entire thing happening. So many of them in fact have confirmed now that Baba Ramdev has been picked up. But the police, of course, not yet speaking. We need to first of all find out where exactly has Baba Ramdev been taken at this point of time. That, of course, we don't have a clue as yet where exactly Baba Ramdev has been detained or has been arrested, under what sections of the Indian Penal Code. Absolutely no idea, but people here very, very angry, very upset at what's happening. And absolutely, as you can see, still in a state, a lot of sloganeering for Baba Ramdev, but most of them say that they will remain right here. They are not going to go back home. So whatever the situation, they want to continue with this Andolan, with this strike. So we'll have to wait and watch what exactly happens in the next couple of hours.
Right, Tejas, I know it is really difficult for you to hear me, but again, the question is, what are the police doing now? What are security forces doing now? Well, we seem to have lost that connection there. We'll go back to Tejas as soon as we re-establish the lines. Tejas, can you hear us now?
Yes, Amitabh, I can hear you.
Yeah, just give us an idea now of what's really happening there. Where are the police?
Well, the police is right here, if you can see before me. They are standing here. They are still asking the media to leave, but of course nobody wants to leave from here. The supporters are here. The media is here. As you can see, all these policemen still standing right in front of the stage. They are trying to remove the last of the media, which is still adamant to remain here to report what has happened from here. But of course, they're not being allowed to at this point of time. And gradually they're asking everybody to leave from the site itself. Now, most of them are just, I don't see any, I just see one senior policeman. If I can try and talk to him, I don't think it's a little too far, but the police at this point of time, of course, not confirming. Let me just bring this gentleman right here who is trying to show his wounds to us. Of course, not very clear from here, but he seems to have been hit right on his back here. And of course, let me just speak to him. आप कहाँ थे? आप क्या ऊपर थे स्टेज पे?
नहीं, हम यहाँ पे थे, हम शांति से सो रहे थे। पुलिस आई और एकदम भगदड़ मच गई। उन्होंने लाठी चार्ज कर दी। सब पे लेडीज सो रही थी, बच्चे सो रहे थे, उन सबके चौकिया पकड़ पड़ेगा सीखा। और जब बाबा भी सो रहे थे, सब सो रहे थे, बाबा जी आए एकदम से, तो जबरदस्ती रहे उनकी गिरफ्तारी। नहीं, जबरदस्ती ले जाने लगे, पता ही नहीं था किसी को। जब देखा जगह आदमी क्या हो रहा है, तो सबने मंच पे इकट्ठे हो गए और उन्होंने पथराव भी किया, आंसू गैस के गोले मारे और ये शहीदों के चित्रों में भी आग लगा दिए और सब लेडीजों की पिटाई, सबकी, मैं क्या सबकी पिटाई हुई है, सबकी।
मुझे बताया कि आप कह रहे हैं कि जब पुलिस यहाँ आई, उन्होंने पहले से सब सो रहे थे, तभी मारपीट शुरू कर दी?
हाँ जी, पहले जैसे सो रहे थे, किसी को कुछ नहीं पता था। जैसे एकदम से आवाज से आई, पुलिस आ गई, पुलिस आई तो आदमी खड़े हुए, क्या बात होगी, बाबा रामदेव कहाँ? तो जैसे ऐसे देखा तो बाबा जी एकदम से आए, बाबा के पीछे ही पुलिस आई एकदम से। तो पब्लिक ने जैसे बाबा को घेरा तो वे सब लाठी चार्ज करने लगे, सबके ऊपर लाठी चार्ज करने लगे। और ये जो जितने भी आप न्यूज वाले हो, आपको सारा पता है।
One thing, I just have news. I have news and information about Baba Ramdev. My colleague Siddharth is right here. एक second, Baba Ramdev की खबर आई है. Siddharth, you spoke to the police commissioner. What is the information you have? Where is Baba Ramdev? Has he been arrested? Has he been detained? Where exactly is he?
Half an hour ago, police commissioner was here himself with his own company. Speaking to the media, he has very clearly said that basically Baba Ramdev has not been detained, he has not been arrested, he is in a safe place. At the same time, he's not saying where Baba Ramdev has been taken. He is saying the reason for this police intervention here is because there were some security concerns. Permission was here taken for a yoga camp, but seeing the number of people coming in, they feel that there was a security issue, and because of that they intervened today. They are not saying where is Baba right now, but what they have told us, there has been no arrest, no detain. Baba is in a safe place.
Yeah, the talks that they're planning to extern him or remove him out of the state of Delhi. Is that true?
Police has been very tight-lipped regarding all of this. We did try to speak to the commissioner of police. After a lot of force, a lot of pressure from the media, he was only able to give us this statement that Baba has not been arrested, he has not been detained. There were some security issues at the Ramlila ground, and because of that, this action by the police has been taken. Right now, Baba